The included accessories comprise a SIM ejector tool and a high-quality plastic cover that coordinates with the phone's color. These components significantly enhance the overall user experience, complementing the device's functionality. Additionally, a fast 68-watt charger is provided, which ensures rapid charging times for the device. This inclusion underscores the phone's efficiency and reflects the integration of modern technological advancements. Furthermore, the smartphone showcases a vegan leather design on its back panel, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also maintains a lightweight profile, ensuring comfortable handling for users. Moreover, the design features a punch-hole display along with minimal bezels, which contribute to a contemporary aesthetic and facilitate an immersive viewing experience for users. In terms of performance, the device boasts 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, with the option to virtually expand the RAM up to 16 GB. This configuration ensures efficient multitasking capabilities for various applications. The smartphone operates on the latest version of Android, coupled with a commitment to provide 3 years of software updates and 4 years of security updates, thereby enhancing the device's longevity. Additionally, the device supports a refresh rate of 144 Hz, which facilitates smooth gaming experiences and multitasking capabilities without encountering performance issues. This feature significantly enhances user satisfaction. The robust dual camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera paired with a 32-megapixel selfie camera, delivering high-quality images and enabling video recording at resolutions up to 4K at 30 frames per second. Finally, the smartphone is equipped with a substantial 5,000 mAh battery, along with a fast 68-watt charger, ensuring a full charge within approximately 30 to 45 minutes and providing battery life that lasts a full day under typical usage conditions.